Hello, welcome back. This is Janice, and today I will show you how to make a delicious homemade apple and strawberry juice. You will love this recipe, and the best part is that you can drink it at any time. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe, we will need 15 fresh strawberries. You can use frozen strawberries if you like, or just the regular fresh strawberries. Also, I will be using 3 apples, and for this recipe, it will serve for 3 people. So the first step is I will get my strawberries and I will start slicing them all up. And I recommend to slice the strawberries rather than putting the whole strawberries into the blender, because a lot of times if you put the whole strawberries in your blender, it will not mix that well. So I like it to slice them better. Okay, so now I am almost done with the strawberries. The next thing would be to cut the apples, and always remember when you slice the apples, remember to remove the stem and also the seeds in the center of the apples, because you do not want to have those seeds mixed in with the other fruit while you're mixing in the blender. All the seeds out. Then we'll slice the apples. Then I would dice them. Now I will go to my next apple and do the same thing I did with the first one. Then you will slice them and you dice them. Then you remove the seeds in the center of the apple. Then you slice them. Then you dice them. And then now we are on to our next apple. And we'll do the same thing. Slice them off, and you dice them. And now we work on with the other half of the apple. And you can just remove that little stem on the top. And you slice them. And you dice them. Okay, and now we have our strawberries and our apples all cut up and ready to be put into the blender. Okay, now I am ready to put all the ingredients into the blender. The strawberries and the apples. Okay, now we will put the lid on and then we will let it mix until all the ingredients are mixed well. Okay, now all the ingredients are mixed, so now we are ready to serve it. Okay, so now I pour it into a glass, and for a little decoration you can put a little strawberry on the side of your glass, and there's your drink. Well, I hope you enjoyed my strawberry apple drink, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will be making some more videos like this one, so don't miss out. See you next time. Bye.